When we're discussing immune health, of course, we're going to look at a couple of factors. One is lifestyle, which means your stress levels. If you're highly stressed and in the sympathetic mode all the time, rushing, achieving, getting things done, if you're involved with any type of worry about any kind of problem in your life, whether it's your health, your family, your kids, your teenagers, whatever it may be, stress plays a really big factor in working against the natural forces in the body that are trying to protect you. So basically, it's a self-defeating way to live in a highly stressed environment all day long. You got to take breaks, you got to take care of yourself. We have a product called Tru-Immune. All right, rolling. There are 15 natural ingredients, some vitamins, some minerals, that the immune system to become more potent and have more potency against these invaders that are trying to attack us. That's just part of life. That's the way things are. But it's actually going to help calm you down and help you to rest and restore yourself. Our immune system recuperates and regenerates during those 7 or 8 hours of sleep that we get. And we have more advice about immunity and taking care of yourself, but I wanted to stress how important it is to get on a preventative supplement practice where it's 15, 20 seconds a day to pop a pill, drink a little water, and you're good to go. Tru-Immune, think about it. If you have a question that we have not answered up till now, put the question down below. We will make a video for you.